The early Arcade1Up cabinets have been known to lose their paint simply from playing with your bare hands. This is an issue they have acknowledged and are fixing by sending out plexiglass overlays for the control panels. As far as I know, the arcades being made now will already have the plexiglass or some sort of paint protection. Unfortunately for us early adopters, we either have to not play our cabinets until we get the protector, or you can make your own. This can be done simply by using an old mouse pad. I chose a mouse pad since it has the rubber backing and will be less likely to slip around under your hands. This will work for any of the Arcade1Up cabinets. You just need to adjust for the different control schemes. I'll admit this is a very crude fix and is not pretty, but it will get you by while you wait. I have been using this hack for over a week. I've probably logged 6 hours of gameplay and I've only had a little bit of paint come off. The spot that did come off was exposed by accident, so I thought I'd make a new mouse pad cut to show you what I did. This is a cheap mouse pad I found in my closet. Ideally, you'll want a mouse pad that is at least 10.5 inches by 8 inches. I'll link to one I found on Amazon that would be perfect. This is all I have, so I'll make do. But if you have a larger pad, you can just cut an opening in the center for more stability. I started by laying the mouse pad over the controls, leaving a good amount over the edge since you're just going to cut that off for the joystick side. Before you cut, make sure you account for an extra 1/2 inch that will be left behind so it will hang off the edge, just so there's no chance of a gap being left open. I roughly marked where I needed to cut, made a small cut, and then cut the rest off. I then marked where I needed to cut away for the buttons and cut out a chunk for them. After that, I laid down the piece for the joystick side, overlapped it with a piece from the buttons to avoid a gap. And then I cut a notch around the joystick so the stick wasn't bumping the mouse pad while playing. And that's it. It's really not a perfect fix, but it should get you by until you get your plexiglass. I'm surprised by the amount of subscribers I got from making the initial video. I'll keep making videos about this project. Let me know if there's something you want to see specifically, and I'll try to get a video out on it. The next video will probably be about the software, but don't expect it until after Thanksgiving. I've got a full-time job and another YouTube channel, so I'm stretched pretty thin. I do enjoy making these videos, so if they helped you, please click the like button, share it with a friend, and thanks for watching.